You'll find the headlight control switch left of the steering column on the instrument panel. Turn the control to the first position for parking lights. Turn to the second position for headlights. You can also turn the control to the auto position. In this position, the headlights will turn on or off automatically based on the surrounding light levels. The dimmer control switch controls your instrument panel lights. With the parking lights or headlights on, or with the switch in the auto position, rotate the right dimmer control upward to increase the brightness of the instrument panel lights. Rotate the left dimmer control upward to adjust the interior and ambient light levels. If equipped with cargo lights or trailer spotter lamps, you can turn them on or off by pushing the cargo lights button on the lower half of the headlight switch. The dimmer, cargo, and trailer light controls are adjustable in the Uconnect system. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights, low beam headlights, or put the switch in the auto position. Then, push in the headlight switch control. Push the headlight switch control a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.